If you have multiple social media accounts, a website, or online products, sharing them all in one place can be challenging. That's where Linktree comes in. It's a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to organize and display all your important links on a single landing page. More than 35 million people use Linktree because it simplifies sharing links across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Many social media platforms allow users to add only one link in their profile bios, which makes it difficult to direct followers to multiple destinations. With Linktree, you can combine all your links into one, making it easier for your audience to find everything you offer, whether it's your latest video, blog, online store, or social media accounts. In this video, I will explain what Linktree is, why you should use it, and how to set it up on a desktop. I will also go through pricing plans, customization options, and advanced features so you can decide whether the free version is enough for your needs. To start using Linktree, visit linktr.ee. Once you're on the site, you will need to create an account. First, claim your Linktree by entering your business or real name and clicking Claim Your Linktree. Then, proceed by entering your email and a strong password. After signing up, go to your inbox and click on the confirmation link sent by Linktree to activate your account. Once your account is verified, Linktree will guide you through a setup process where you can choose a category that best describes your brand. This helps Linktree suggest features and optimizations based on your industry. Now that your account is set up, the next step is adding links to your landing page. Once you're in the dashboard, click the Add Link button and enter any URL you want to share. By default, Linktree automatically detects the page title, but you can rename it for clarity. You can also rearrange links by dragging and dropping them based on priority. If you want to organize your links better, you can add custom headers to separate different categories, such as social media, products and services. Linktree also allows you to embed certain types of content, such as YouTube videos, Spotify playlists, and mailing list signups. To add a YouTube video, go to YouTube, select a video you want to embed, click Share, copy the link, and paste it in Linktree. Select Embed, and the video will be displayed directly on your Linktree landing page, allowing users to watch it without leaving the site. To make your Linktree visually appealing, you can start customizing it. First, click on your profile image at the top to upload a logo or profile picture. Adjust the size and position, and then save. Next, write a short bio that explains who you are and what you offer. You can also add social media icons by clicking on the social icons at the top and selecting Add Social Icons from the pop-up. Now, select a platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, enter your profile URL, and save the changes. Linktree provides several free themes that adjust the overall look of your page. You can choose between solid colors or gradients, customize button shapes, and adjust font styles and colors to match your branding. The free plan includes basic themes, while premium plans unlock additional design options. The free version of Linktree is powerful enough for most users. It allows unlimited links, basic analytics, and some customization options. However, if you need more advanced features, Linktree offers paid plans. The analytics section provides insights into your link performance, including total views, clicks, click-through rate, and revenue generated from affiliate links. While basic analytics are available for free, detailed insights require a paid plan. Once your Linktree is customized, it's time to share it. Click Share to copy your Linktree URL and add it to your social media bios. You can also download a QR code for offline sharing. To preview your Linktree, open a new browser tab, paste the URL, and press Enter. This will show how your landing page appears to visitors. To get the most out of Linktree, follow these best practices. Use clear and concise link titles, as long and confusing names can reduce engagement. Prioritize important links by placing them at the top so they get more attention. Customize your design to make your page visually appealing, which encourages more clicks. Regularly update your links to keep your content fresh and relevant, especially if you promote time-sensitive offers. Now, Linktree offers 4 distinct pricing plans to cater to various user needs: Free, Starter, Pro, and Premium. Each plan comes with different features designed for individuals, creators, and businesses. The free plan costs $0 per month and includes unlimited links, basic analytics for the last 28 days, and access to limited customization options with free themes. Users can add basic link types, including contact details and social icons, but the Linktree logo remains on the profile. The starter plan costs $5 per month and builds upon the free plan by offering advanced analytics for the last 90 days and enhanced customization, including extended themes, button styles, and font options. This plan also allows users to collect emails and phone numbers and integrate with mailing services like MailChimp. Priority support with a 24-hour response time is included. The Pro plan, priced at $9 per month, adds comprehensive analytics covering the last 365 days with detailed link performance tracking. It provides advanced customization, such as custom background images and videos, and integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Spring, and Bonfire. Users can remove the Linktree logo for a fully branded experience and gain access to Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for detailed tracking. Support response time is reduced to 12 hours. The premium plan costs $24 per month and includes all pro features, plus lifetime analytics access, multi-admin team collaboration, and custom terms and conditions for email and SMS links. It also enhances security with multi-factor authentication and offers priority support with a 4-hour response time. Each plan is designed to provide users with the tools they need to effectively manage and customize their online presence. The free plan is ideal for basic users. The starter plan offers improved customization and analytics. The Pro plan is tailored for those requiring detailed insights and integrations. And the premium plan is best for businesses needing advanced features and priority support. Some people wonder whether Linktree is better than a personal website. While websites offer full customization, Linktree has several advantages. No coding is required, making it easy to create a landing page in minutes. It is mobile-friendly, optimized for smartphones and social media apps. It offers a fast setup with no need for web hosting or domain registration. It also provides built-in analytics to track clicks without extra tools. If you already have a website, you can still use Linktree as a supplement to organize links efficiently. Linktree is a simple but powerful tool for managing multiple links in one place. Whether you are a content creator, business owner, or influencer, Linktree helps you organize and share your content effortlessly. With a free plan offering unlimited links, basic analytics, and customization options, it's an excellent choice for most users. If you need advanced features, upgrading to a paid plan may be worth considering. So that's basically all about Linktree. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.